Whether you've encountered a motorcycle accident, auto accident, or other injury through no fault of your own, call Marina Katz at Katz Jameson Vanderveen and Associates.
My name is Marcus. I was involved in a car accident. Katz Vanderveen and Associates got me great results.
My name is Michelle. When I needed legal help, Katz Vanderveen and Associates were there for me within 24 hours.
At Katz Vanderveen and Associates, the clients are our #1 priority.
There's no case too big or too small for us to handle.
We handle catastrophic injuries,
motor vehicle crashes, trucking accidents,
motorcycle accidents,
domestic disputes and family law,
criminal defense,
wills and estates,
Immigration law,
Wrongful death, survivorship, and all your legal needs.
My name is Stuart. I had limited tort, but Katz Vanderveen Associates took my case, and I'm very happy with the results.
Our office is fluent in many languages, including Russian, Romanian, Italian, Spanish, Yugoslavian, Hebrew, Ukrainian, Polish, and Armenian. Marina was selected as one of the 50 best businesswomen in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania by Governor Ridge in 1997. Along with 2 other of our lawyers, Marina has also been featured in Philadelphia Magazine as a Philadelphia super lawyer. She has the distinction of receiving an award for Woman of the Year by Philly Magazine and Bucks County YMCA.
please contact us for all your legal needs.
Katz Vanderveen and Associates. Call or visit us online.